As you create more gems for different tasks, your sidebar can get a bit crowded. If you have a gem you no longer use, here is how to delete it permanently in just a few clicks. Open Gemini on your desktop and expand the side panel on the left. Click on Gems. This opens a full list of every custom gem you've created. This is your command center for editing, pinning, or removing them. Find the gem you want to remove. Click the three-dot menu on the right side of the gem's name and select Delete. A confirmation box will pop up warning you that this is permanent. Click Delete one more time and the gem is officially gone from your account. It's important to know that while the gem is gone, the chats you had with it stay in your recent history. If you want those gone too, you'll need to delete those threads separately. Also, even though you have to delete gems on the web, the change happens instantly on your mobile app too. It'll disappear from your Gems menu immediately. That's it. Click Gems, three dots, and delete. A simple way to keep your AI workspace organized. Hit like and subscribe for more Gemini tips. I'll see you in the next one.